Hi guys, I've got today an unboxing of Zippo. It's my first Zippo, it's brand new, it's still sealed. I got this off Amazon for £9.82 and it was very fast shipping. It took a day to ship, which is amazing. And I also got 225ml fuel, which was £2.45. Very fast shipping as well. Don't know how long that took. That's not important. I got both off Amazon. Yeah, so let's do it. I forgot this knife off Deal Extreme. You might be able to see on the back it says original Zippo lighter 207 street chrome. Yeah, so this is my first Zippo. Let's have a look. It's not taped, is it? Let's do it. And there you go. Let's see if I can get it to focus on that. Oh, it says $14.95 up top there. Yeah, the really nice finish. Zippo there. Made in USA. Guarantee and warranty, etc. Let's take it out. Yeah. It's heavier than I expected. Just Zippo blue. Yep, that's it. Something got some nothing, obviously. I can't be bothered. Right, so yeah, here it is. Street chrome lighter. Right, so let me take this sticker off. Whatever. Here we go. Ooh. Stick this in here. There's that, and there is a bit of residue, but if you put light fluid on that, it comes off fairly easily. Alright, so let's open it. Whoa, yeah. That knife is so good. Yeah. So look at the inside. Pretty tight. Looks a bit weird in there. I don't know if you can see that. Should it look like that, or is it weird? I don't know. Insert. Front works, which it should. Yeah, so that's my first Zippo. From the first looks, it looks awesome, very well built. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll probably have a review of it up soon. Thank you for watching.